just about finished with the walk-in shower. This shower, if you look in the previous videos, was framed to accommodate grab bars and so on behind the tile, approximately this height, and they can be installed at any point. Hope in the next couple of days to finish siliconing the edges and the fine detailing. But the beauty of this shower stall is you can have some assistance because it has dual controls, one for a wand and one for a regular shower head, which should improve the quality of life for anybody who would live in this home. As you can see throughout the house, it has been tiled, and that's been a very deliberate choice that will allow someone with an electric wheelchair to navigate this home. Anybody who has a heavy wheelchair would actually just turn up carpet and would be a real problem. So I've chosen this for durability and ease of cleaning. And the other beauty of this home is the temperature of the slab will be relatively warm because of the 12 inches of foam insulation under the concrete slab. So the thermal heat loss is minimal through the slab. Today I'm standing in front of the window in the early afternoon. This morning the temperature outside was 0 and I had plenty of ice on my truck window, but right now it is reading almost 20 degrees inside the home, and there is no heat on of any sort. So the house is working the way it's supposed to. And I'm going to start building kitchen cabinets soon and the interior trim. And this kitchen will be designed for somebody in a wheelchair as well.